I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Now search and select action OneHash CRM. Give here the API URL. And give here the API key and API secret key. So go to your OneHash CRM dashboard. Go to Setting. Scroll down and click on API Access. Generate keys. Copy the secret API keys and API key and paste it on integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in Actions. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can use conditional logic for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Go to the OneHash CRM contact list. And you can see that the data came successfully in OneHash CRM. Thanks for watching.